My dear friends, welcome back to B Spice. This is Rambala with you. In this session, we'll talk about, the dissolved oxygen DO analyzer data sheet. Okay. So in the DO analyzer data sheet, we'll see the general, as usual, the general focus and process condition, characteristics, and sensor details. Flow through T actually is specifically, meant for this, and spray cleaner requirement, and of course the transmitter and accessories. Okay. So in this general, we have the tag number, service, line number, and of course the P and ID. All we have to refer the P and ID and input it, right? So there is no challenge in that. Then few more function. Function here is dissolved oxygen. DO mounting can be 2-inch pipe, and area classification, if applicable, you have to refer the hazardous area classification drawing. Okay. Otherwise, you can put it as safe area. Right. So process condition. What is this fluid? Fluid rate, design pressure, design temperature, operating temperature, and of course the conductivity. All this we need to get it from our process conditions. Okay. Right, friends. Now we go to the data sheet main part, the characteristics. So characteristics, we have an accuracy plus or minus 0.2 ppm at 25 degrees C. This is just for an example. You need to refer your project requirement. Okay. And repeatability plus or minus 0.05 ppm at 25 degrees C. Yeah, this is actually applicable general difference. Generally. Okay. This is a typical, water treatment plant. Actually, I have taken the data. So generally we can use this, but of course I suggest you go with your project requirement. Yeah. Now sensor part. Sensor type, it can be a insertion or submersion. Okay. We can get it from vendor, VTA. Measuring range, it depends again on your project requirement. In my project, it's 4 ppm. Okay. Then wetted part, you can choose Noril, Teflon, EPDM, Viton, anything. Then non-wetted part, you can have a gold. This is a cathode actually. In my case, it's a gold. Electrolyte volume, VTA. If you are in confusion, you can go for VTA, that is vendor to advice. Okay. And electrolyte volume, yeah, it's vendor to advice. Then electrolyte life also vendor to advice. Okay. Then cable, of course, integral process connection. In my case, it is submerged. Temperature compensation, automatic. And operating temperature 0 to 50 degree. Example, then maximum pressure is 1 bar. And preamplifier, there is inbuilt in transmitter. And linearity, 95% over entire range. This is also very standard actually. Okay, friends. So make, of course, VTA, model also VTA. Environment, it is in my case, it's tank submerged. Okay. So that's about this. Then you have a flow through T. That is also there. What is the flow through T? MOC means material of construction, that we can get it from vendor. And of course, the flow also, and process connection. All this we can get it from the vendor. Right? Maximum pressure, temperature, all this related to flow through. See, the point is we need to also look into this. That's a point. Apart from the sensor, especially for the DO, you need to have this flow through T. That is a point. Okay, friends. Just take this as a guideline, friends. See, the intent of this is not to, follow everything. You need to know what information we need to furnish in the data sheet. So this will give the answer for that, right? Yes. So similarly, for the spray cleaner, you can go for this VTA, whatever is spray that is recommended by the vendor. The point is spray cleaner we need to consider. Then transmitter mounting, yeah, can be a panel mounting or maybe a 2-inch pipe mounted. Output signal 4 to 20 milliamps hot. Power supply 24 DC to power. Protection class minimum IP50, 65 or 67. And display, yeah, I need a 2-line LCD display. Hazardous area safe actually. Right? This is for the transmitter. Then you have the transmitter electrical connection, half an inch NPT, temperature effect, automatic compensation, manufacturer, of course, we don't know right now, VTA, model VTA. All these we have to fill in for the transmitter. Then have the accessories. Of course, mounting bracket I need, interconnecting cable also I need. Interconnecting cable length, we can, depends on the vendor. Okay, 5 meters, 6 meters like that. And tag plate, I think this is a typo error, plate. Tag plate, we can ask for SS. That's it, friends. Very simple. Very simple data sheet. Okay. We will see some other analyzer also. So far, what we have covered is, pH analyzer. We have covered conductivity. We have covered, all these. So as part of this, we have covered many analyzer. You can, if you have not watched, you can see pH we have covered, Conductivity we have already covered, and this is the, what do you call? This is a dissolved oxygen. Okay. Right, friends, and few more coming up, like for example, CEMS, oxygen analyzer, all these are coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.